Do you want to make more money trading the financial markets and improve your trading skills? Then you have come to the right place, and I would like to welcome you to Delta Trading, your compass to trading success. Hi, I'm Joerg, a dedicated trader on a mission to help you improve your trading skills and accelerate your journey to success. Hold tight, because I'm about to share my hard-earned insights so you can sidestep the pitfalls I encountered and fast-track your path to success. First and foremost, I value transparency. I also share my biggest winners and my biggest losers on my second channel, Delta Trading Trades. I want to share my knowledge and all the mistakes I've made while trading and analyzing the financial markets so that you don't make the same mistakes I did and can achieve your goals faster. One thing I want to make clear: I'm not a millionaire yet, nor do I hold the key to unlock the financial market secrets. I'm a fellow trader and investor, just like you. I've found my edge, and my goal is to help you do the same as soon as you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Why are you doing all this, you may ask? I would like to answer this question with a quote from a famous physician. If you want to master something, teach it. Richard Feynman. And that's where you and I cross paths. I'm here to deliver you value, and in return, I'm sharpening my skills. We're in for a journey where everyone wins. I want to create a community of like-minded traders to share knowledge, get better at trading, and celebrate our improvements together. Let's talk about my journey. It's been a roller coaster. I began in the world of semi-professional poker, and from there, I dove into the complexities of trading and the financial markets. The journey's been sprinkled with victories and setbacks. Sounds familiar, right? Doubts before a trade, battling the market's twists and turns. These are the trader's constants. Anyone who claims it's easy is bending the truth. As a mentor once told me, it's the hardest way to make easy money. But hang in there, because perseverance pays off with profit and freedom. Now brace yourself, because I'm bringing you the good stuff, real value. Whether you're taking your first steps or you're a seasoned trader seeking fresh strategies, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you steer clear of my past slip-ups and experiences. I'm here to fuel your journey toward becoming a consistently profitable trader and a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video and want to accelerate your path to trading success, hit that like button and subscribe to get more videos like that. You want me to cover a specific topic or have a question? Let me know in the comments below. Cheers, Joerg.